CHANCE, located in Centralia, Missouri, is the world leader in screw anchor technology. Whether in foundations for electric power structures, underpinning existing buildings to resist foundation settlement, as both foundations and guy anchors for telecommunication towers, as anti-buoyancy tie-downs for pipelines, or as retaining wall tiebacks, CHANCE screw anchor products and methods are efficient and predictable. They give you cost-effective alternatives to traditional construction methods. CHANCE state-of-the-art manufacturing systems meet ISO 9001 standards to assure you of consistently high-quality products. Our production capacity and inventory levels keep pace with your rigorous construction schedules. A quick history of CHANCE helical anchoring products for the construction industry focuses on our square shaft or SS anchor series. First proven for tension load applications, SS anchors are the basis for our helical pier foundation systems piles for compression loads. Made of high-strength solid steel, CHANCE square shaft anchors comprise a segmented system of a lead section with helical bearing plates and extension shafts. Through bolts connect the sections so enough extensions can be added for the bearing plates to penetrate load-bearing soil. The system includes SS anchor shafts from 1.5 inches square to 2.25 inches square. Their minimum ultimate strength in tension ranges up to 100 tons per anchor. We now can reach double that performance in compression with enhancements added to SS anchors by our exclusive, patented Helical Pulldown Micropile system, a deep foundation solution. This innovative technology was first developed for the foundations of buildings on the Fraser River Delta in British Columbia, Canada. A high water table characterizes this location, along with its relatively deep surface organic deposits underlain by loose sand, all in a Zone 3 seismic area. To resist bending or buckling in very weak soils, soft clays with cohesion less than 500 pounds per square foot, or loose sands with standard penetration values less than 4, the Helical Pulldown Micropile provides a grout column around the upper shaft of a standard helical pier foundation systems pile. It begins with placing a grout reservoir at the surface. This reservoir can be PVC pipe, steel pipe, laminated fiber tube, or other construction materials. The screw anchor then is placed into the soil by applying torque to the shaft. The helical shape of the bearing plates creates a tremendous pulling force that keeps the anchor advancing downward into the soil. A screw anchor is not an auger, but screws in with little disturbance to the soil. After the lead section with the helical plates penetrates the soil, a lead displacement plate and extension shaft are bolted onto the lead shaft. Resuming torque on the assembled shaft advances the helical plates, pulling down the displacement plate into the soil. This forces soil outward to create a cylindrical void around the shaft. This void is filled immediately by the gravity flow of grout from the reservoir above to surround and encapsulate the shaft. Additional extension shafts and displacement plates are added until the helical bearing plates reach competent load-bearing soil. This displacement method does not require the removal of any soil or spoils from the site. Specified for each site's requirements, helical pull-down micropiles have been installed more than 80 feet deep, and grout columns have ranged from 4 to 10 inches in diameter. Skin friction along the grout column above shares loads with the helical plates below. A true composite pile combining both friction and end-bearing components, the Helical Pulldown Micropile can develop high capacities in very soft, loose soils overlying competent load-bearing strata. That's how this deep foundation solution can economically beat traditional methods in some of the worst situations. Whatever the conditions at your next project site, Chance application engineers are on staff to help you select the appropriate helical anchor and foundation types and sizes. To assist design professionals, our HeliCap engineering software provides capacity information specific to your site's soil parameters. This PC-based program is based on an industry-accepted bearing capacity equation and can help with selecting the helix configuration for anchors or foundation piles to meet your load requirements. You can run a free demo on our website anytime to see just how friendly it is to use. Helical pull-down micropiles install easily with standard construction equipment, such as a skid steer unit or backhoe fitted with a high-capacity torque motor. Portable equipment also may be used for limited access sites. And large excavators have been used to install helical pull-down micropiles with ultimate capacities tested up to 205 tons. Extensive tests have been conducted on helical pull-down micropiles. Typically, a hydraulic jack applies compression force to the micropile, while a beam attached to Chance tension anchors resists the load. As with the helical Pier foundation systems, all crews who install the helical pull-down micropile first must be trained and certified by the Chance staff. This ensures that the installers are knowledgeable in application criteria and installation techniques specific to the helical pull-down micropile technology. For building on sites perhaps not otherwise usable, the helical pull-down micropile literally pulls down its own grout column of a larger diameter to resist bending in weak upper soil layers. By adding that friction capacity to the end-bearing strength of its helical pile core, this unique, patented, deep foundation solution gives you another competitive design advantage for unlimited applications. Whether you are underpinning an existing structure that is settled, building a substation, supporting a telecommunication tower, needing a high-capacity foundation for a limited access site, or even building a new structure on poor surface soils, the Helical Pulldown Micropile gives you a cost-effective, deep foundation solution. Chance civil construction experience, products, and technical support belong in your toolbox. Let us help you put the deep foundation solution to work on your next project.